Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken handy. First, ensure you have 1 kilogram of boneless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, finely chop 2 medium onions and puree 3 tomatoes. Don't forget to prepare your ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons and half a cup of plain yogurt. Finally, gather your spices like red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala, ensuring everything is within reach before you begin cooking. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a handy or heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add the tomato puree and cook it down until the oil clearly separates from the mixture, indicating it's well cooked. Next, it's time to add the star ingredient. Introduce the 1 kilogram of boneless chicken pieces into the pot and cook them for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they change color and are lightly seared. Now, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well to coat the chicken evenly. Then, gently fold in half a cup of whisked plain yogurt and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro. Stir gently and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the aromas to fully develop. Your delicious chicken handy is now ready to be served hot. It pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or any flatbread you prefer. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.